Thank you for viewing this presentation from the Tennessee Department of Revenue on franchise and excise tax exemptions. This discussion involves limited liability companies, limited partnerships, or business trust organized as a diversified investment fund. The qualifications for this exemption can be found in Tennessee Code Annotated Section 67-4-2008. The entity must be a limited liability company, a limited partnership, a limited liability partnership, or a business trust. At least 90% of the cost of the entity's total assets must consist of qualifying investment securities, bank deposits, and office space and equipment. At least 90% of the entity's gross income must also consist of interest, dividends, and gains from the sale or exchange of qualifying investment securities. The entity's primary purpose must be buying, holding, and selling qualified securities on its own behalf and not as a broker. The capital must be derived primarily from investments by entities or individuals not affiliated with the fund. To receive the exemption, you must file the Form FAE 183, the Application for Exemption or Annual Exemption Renewal Form. If the entity does not meet the exemption requirement for any given year, it is taxable on all activities for that year. A franchise and excise return, the FAE 170, then must be filed electronically with payment of any taxes due by the 15th day of the fourth month after the entity's year end. Both the initial and renewal applications must be submitted on an annual basis by the 15th day of the fourth month following the entity's year end. Failure to timely file an application for exemption or renewal may result in the assessment of a $200 penalty. Entities that request a federal income tax extension are automatically granted an extension for franchise and excise tax. To ensure the extension is properly applied, check the box next to the statement, "Taxpayers filed a federal extension." Additional information can be found on Form FAE 183, the Application for Exemption or Annual Renewal Form, the Franchise and Excise Tax Return Form, FAE 170, and its instructions, as well as Tennessee Code Annotated 67-4-2008. Relevant guidance on this topic is also available in the Franchise and Excise Tax Manual that you can find on our Tennessee Department of Revenue website at tn.gov/revenue. Should you need any additional information or have any questions, the contact information displayed on the screen provides additional ways to connect with us. This includes our website at tn.gov/revenue, our email revenue.support@tn.gov, and you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also contact us by phone Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our general tax line is 615-253-0600, or if you have questions regarding franchise and excise tax, you should contact 615-253-0700. You can also access the additional resources by clicking the links in the supplemental PDF located in the webinar video library. Thank you for viewing this presentation from the Tennessee Department of Revenue.